Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Brushes panel and selecting the kind of brush you need, the paint brush for strokes or the blob brush for filled shapes. Make sure your artboard, layer, and selection target are correct so strokes apply where you expect. Set brush size, fidelity, and angle in the control bar. Select a stroke color and weight. Once these basics are in place, pick the brush preset and test a quick stroke to verify settings before moving to detailed work. Now draw your path confidently with the brush tool B or blob brush Shift B. Short, deliberate strokes give cleaner curves. If you need expressive variation, edit the brush definition. Double-click the brush in the panel and adjust roundness, diameter, and pressure dynamics. This changes how Illustrator renders subsequent strokes. Use the Smooth tool to reduce jitter, the Width tool to vary thickness along a stroke, and expand when you need editable vectors. Finish by expanding the appearance to convert brush strokes into editable vector shapes when you intend to modify anchors or export. Clean up stray points with the Delete anchor or Simplify path to reduce file size. Save a source AI file, then export to PNG or SVG using the appropriate anti-aliasing and resolution settings. If the brush behaves unexpectedly, reset the brush panel, clear graphic styles, or check stroke alignment and scale options. This resolves most problems quickly, so your painted art appears as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.